Imagine waking up tomorrow morning feeling significantly lighter, with your digestion firing on all cylinders and a strange sense of energized clarity before you even touch your coffee. It sounds like one of those too good to be true health fads, but in 2026, a growing number of wellness enthusiasts across the USA and Europe are turning to an unconventional nighttime ritual, drinking warm kimchi water. While kimchi is famous as a spicy Korean staple, the science behind its fermented liquid is where the real magic happens. By boiling or lightly simmering kimchi to create a potent gut tea, you are tapping into a concentrated source of minerals, organic acids, and bioavailable nutrients that work on your body while you sleep. If you've been struggling with morning bloating or a sluggish metabolism, this tangy nightcap might be the missing piece of your health puzzle. To understand why this works, we first have to look at what kimchi actually is. It isn't just fermented cabbage. It is a complex powerhouse of garlic, ginger, red chili peppers, and scallions, all of which undergo a deep fermentation process. During this time, the ingredients are broken down into their most bioavailable forms. While many people focus on the live probiotics found in raw kimchi, the liquid or brine contains high concentrations of lactic acid and a compound called capsaicin from the peppers. When you lightly boil or simmer kimchi in water to create a broth, you are creating an electrolyte-rich infusion that is remarkably easy for your body to absorb during its nighttime repair cycle. The primary reason you drink this water overnight is to target the digestive system during its most active period of restoration. As you sleep, your body shifts its energy towards cellular repair and detoxification. The lactic acid found in kimchi water acts as a gentle regulator for the stomach pH levels. By consuming this warm liquid before bed, you are providing your gut with the organic acids it needs to balance its environment. Many users report that by the time they wake up, the morning bloat that usually makes clothes feel tight has vanished. This is because the unique combination of potassium and sodium in the brine helps regulate fluid balance, flushing out excess water weight that often settles in the midsection. Furthermore, the capsaicin found in the chili peppers of kimchi plays a vital role in what experts call thermogenesis. Capsaicin is a thermogenic compound, meaning it slightly raises the body's internal temperature and can increase the rate at which you burn calories, even at rest. Drinking this warm water before sleep can give your metabolism a subtle nudge. In the morning, this often manifests as a feeling of lightness and a more immediate kickstart to your digestive system. Instead of feeling heavy or sluggish after your evening meal, the kimchi water helps the body process lingering food more efficiently, leading to a much more productive and comfortable morning routine. Another amazing result that people notice in the morning is a boost in skin clarity and reduced puffiness. This is due to the high concentration of vitamin C and antioxidants like beta-carotene found in kimchi. These nutrients are heat-stable, meaning they survive the boiling process quite well. When these antioxidants are delivered in a warm, liquid form right before sleep, they help combat oxidative stress and inflammation throughout the night. Because inflammation is one of the leading causes of a puffy morning face and dull skin, the anti-inflammatory properties of the ginger and garlic in the water help you wake up looking refreshed and revitalized. So, how exactly do you prepare this? The process is simple, but the timing is key. You take about half a cup of high-quality, fermented kimchi and add it to 2 cups of filtered water. You bring it to a boil and then immediately turn the heat down to a simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. This light boil helps release the nutrients from the cabbage and spices into the water without completely obliterating the complex flavor profiles. Once simmered, you strain the liquid into a mug. It's important to drink it while it's still warm, about 30 to 60 minutes before you plan to go to sleep. This gives the liquid time to settle in your stomach before you lie flat. It is important to address a common question: doesn't boiling kill the probiotics? While intense heat does kill the live bacteria, research published in various nutritional journals shows that even heat-killed probiotics, often called postbiotics, still provide significant benefits for the immune system and gut lining. Furthermore, the minerals, vitamins, and organic acids that are the byproduct of fermentation remain fully intact and highly effective. For those with sensitive stomachs who find raw fermented foods too harsh, this cooked tea version is often much easier to tolerate while still delivering the metabolic and digestive benefits. In 2026, as we move toward more functional, food-based medicine, the kimchi water trend is a perfect example of how traditional wisdom meets modern wellness. By simply utilizing the liquid from a jar of fermented vegetables, you are creating a cost-effective, powerful tonic that supports your body's natural rhythms. If you are looking for a way to transform your mornings from a struggle into a success, try this simple kitchen hack tonight. The combination of improved digestion, reduced bloating, and a metabolic boost might just make you a believer in the power of this spicy, silver bullet remedy. Wake up to the results you've been waiting for, starting with just 1 mug before bed.